Welcome to Pydle Day 37. Pydle is your daily puzzle that you need to solve by writing Python code. If you're a fan of word games like Wordle, but you know how to program, then Pydle may just be the game for you. Today's Pydle is a bed. So there's a few kind of repeating patterns, so see if you can solve that. As usual, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which is Pydle 36. It's kind of a bus, two wheels at the bottom, a bus driver there. So let me know in the comments how you solved this. I'm going to show a technique that you can technically probably use to solve most Pydles quite easily, but I wouldn't recommend you use that. I would recommend you look for patterns and kind of develop your logical thinking. But I will show this anyway because it's quite cool and something worth learning if you haven't done this before. So it's basically using arithmetic operations like plus and multiply to repeat or concatenate lists. First, we need to define all our colors we're going to use in this puzzle, and we need to define them as lists already, so single element lists. So we've got red, yellow, orange, green, black, and white. And I'm going to create a tuple, so that will then be deconstructed into those variables. So we need to create single element lists of all our colors. So red, yellow, orange, green, black, and white. Okay, this line is probably going to be too long because Pydle does restrict you to lines of 80 characters. So let's split that after orange. Okay, so those are the colors. Now to build up our sequence of colors, we're going to define a new list, and now we're basically just going to repeat those colors. So it's red times 6 plus yellow times 2. So this basically concatenates various parts of the list, and then these both kind of repeated elements. So yellow times 2 plus orange plus red times 2 plus yellow times 2 plus green plus red times 6 plus black times 2 plus white plus black times 2. Okay, so those, hopefully if I didn't make any mistakes, would be the whole puzzle. And then we just say for I in range, so that's our 25 cells. Then we do Pydle I modulus 5, I integer division 5, and then the index of our colors. Hopefully I haven't made any mistakes. And that solves our Pydle. I'm going to go to Playground quickly and just show you what else we can do. So let's say we wanted to build up a pattern and then repeat that. So let's say I wanted to do say red plus what colors have we got? It's yellow plus orange plus green plus white. Oh, I don't need that inside the array. And now we want to repeat that 5 times. So we've basically built up a new list, and now we want to repeat that 5 times. You can see. And if we had to do that the other way, we could do that. Okay, so there's plenty that you can play with, and you can always go to the playground and just do whatever you like with Pydle. Hopefully, some of you may have learned something new. Didn't know that you could do that with lists in Pydle. In Python, and hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments what you think, and then good luck solving today's Pydle.